Time to make some monkey bread. There are the ingredients. Half a cup of sugar to a teaspoon of cinnamon. Got it right there. 2 cans of biscuits. Got them right there. And you need 1 cup of brown sugar mixed with 3/4 a cup of butter, and you melt that together. There's my brown sugar. And then you bake it at 350 for 30 to 35 minutes. But we don't have a stove. But you can do the same thing when you're out camping as what you do in a stove. Okay, step 1, preheat your oven. That's what's happening right there. Okay, while the butter and brown sugar are melting together, you take the cinnamon and sugar, you cut the biscuits up into pieces and roll them in that, and then put them into the fluted pan. You cut the biscuits into 6 pieces for each biscuit, coat it with the cinnamon and sugar, put it in the fluted pan, and then I'll be dumping this caramel that we made with the butter and the brown sugar over that and putting it in the Dutch oven. And you get it all put together and you pour the butter brown sugar over the top. Then it's ready to go in the oven to be baked. There it is now inside my Dutch oven. We cover it up, we put coals underneath it, coals on top of it, and about half hour, 40 minutes, you'll have monkey bread. Then to heat the oven, put coals from the fire on top, coals from the fire underneath, and then it's all set to go. Every 10 minutes you rotate the body one way and the lid the other way, about a quarter turn. Okay, let's see how we're doing here.
Whoa. You know what? Might be almost done. Maybe about 5 more, I don't even know.
They look done.
Yeah.
Because they're going to cook a little bit longer.
Yep, they're done.
Okay, they are done. Okay, now you let it cool for about 10 minutes. Then you dump it out upside down.